what's up guys? My name is Bruno here and I'm playing Train Tiles Express puzzle. A total here? Oh great. Splendid. Okay. Let's start. It's like this. Okay. Get ready. Okay, put it this. Great. Oh, there's a nice train. Great. Thank you. And let's beat the next level. Okay, level 2. Get ready. Okay. Okay, let's go. Around the dome. Aiden. I love this game because it's not difficult. It's fast anyways. And easy too. Total. When he comes the red train or yellow train, that might be, I know, there is blue there. Level 3. 2 reds and 2 yellows. 2. We need to switch the tracks to getting home. And there is the yellow train. Is the red coming from another? And a yellow one too. Thank you. And it's the level 4. Okay, when you speed, it happens like this. Get ready, level 4, red and yellow. There's the arrows. Oh, it sounds like speedness. Okay, bye-bye, yellow train. Success! Mission success! Next up, level 5. Get ready, level 5. Red and blue.
Mira, papá. Mira.
Okay, not so far. Okay, the dinosaur. Another train. Bye-bye, red train and blue train. Success! Thank you for watching, guys.